Hi, my name is Balázs Holzer from Budapest, Hungary, and welcome to my course on how to make money online with the help of digital courses. So first of all, let me tell a few words about myself. I'm from Budapest, Hungary, as I said earlier. I'm qualified as a physicist, and later on I decided to get a master's degree in applied mathematics. I've been working as a software engineer and simulation engineer in several multinational companies, but then I came to the conclusion that I can do much better as a full-time entrepreneur. I have a special addiction to algorithms, artificial intelligence, quantitative finance related models and so on. So what you are going to get from this course? We are going to talk about several topics. First of all, of course, how to make passive income with digital courses, how to create these video courses, how to create your own website, how to make YouTube marketing, how to do social media marketing. We are going to focus on Facebook, of course, and how to make affiliate marketing. And it's very important that this course is about how to make more money with your own courses. So we are not going to talk about how to create and manufacture these lectures, because there are lots of videos out there on YouTube, for example, or on Udemy on how to create these courses. I would like to show you how to monetize your courses in order to make more money. So we are not going to focus on creating the courses itself exclusively. And what's very important, that there is an HD option for every single lecture in this course. So if you find your videos blurry, you just have to set it to an HD option like you would do it on YouTube, for example. Thanks for joining my course. Let's get started.